If the hotspot is not working properly on your Motorola smartphone, first we need to go to Settings, then choose Network and Internet, and then we're gonna go to the hotspot and tethering. Now in here, tap on the Wi-Fi hotspot. The first thing that you can do is you can go to Speed and Compatibility, and you can check the frequency. If you have 5 GHz frequency, there is a chance that it will not be compatible with some older devices, and therefore your Wi-Fi hotspot might not work on that other device. And also, of course, we can switch to the 2.4 GHz in order to increase the compatibility. Besides that, some Motorola smartphones also have the Wi-Fi 6 hotspot option, which of course is great if you want to increase the internet speed on that hotspot, but just like in the case of the frequency, it might result with the hotspot not being detectable or compatible with other devices. So you might want to turn it off and see if that helps. Besides that, you can also find the turn off hotspot automatically option, which of course you might want to turn it off in case you need more time before the phone automatically disables the hotspot due to no devices being connected to that hotspot. Usually, I believe it takes 10 minutes for the hotspot to be automatically disabled. So if you need more time, then of course you can just turn off that option. In some cases, you can also find Hide My Device option, so this will result in the hotspot not being detectable on the Wi-Fi list at all. So in that case, of course, you want to uncheck this box, but besides that, what might be quite helpful is the QR code generator. So when you have the hotspot enabled, you can find the QR code icon next to the hotspot name, and you can tap on it in order to generate the QR code. So if that other device has the option to scan Wi-Fi QR codes, then you can do so. You can scan the QR code on that other device and connect to the network to your Wi-Fi hotspot without having to look for it on the list of available Wi-Fi networks and without having to enter the password. And of course, the password itself can be found over here and edited as well. So if needed, you can set up an easy password so it's just easy to enter on that other device. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.